Hey Leia users, we are going to talk about how to edit links and buttons and where they will take the user once they click on them. By default, they're not going to go anywhere, so you're going to have to edit these in order for them to work properly. So as you can see in this header here, we've got a row of social icons. Let's say we want this Facebook page to send them to our Leia Facebook page. We're going to click on that icon. We're going to pull this up. We're going to click Edit Link. So in the iOS, it's going to give you this box. You're going to get a different box in other operating systems. So you're going to have actually different instructions, more instructions on any other ones. But so let's say we want to go to the Leia Facebook page. We'll click here. We're going to click copy, go back to Leia, and then we're going to tap on it once. We'll tap on it again and paste. And then that link is updated again. You're going to have to save your page in order for your live page to have that link actually send you to the Facebook page. So make sure you save at this point. You can get out of there, click on here, go up here, save changes. You would say yes, continue. So we'll hang on to that. So now you also, for buttons, also in iOS, you're not going to get as much instruction. So we're going to go ahead and add a button. There's a tutorial on adding buttons as well. So let's put it underneath, let's cut some grass. So we'll tap there. Now we have our button. So again, in other operating systems, you'll get instructions for how to send them to a telephone number. So in order to go to a telephone number, we'll go to Edit Link. And what you have to do is you type in TEL : plus and then the phone number. And then and then update the link, and then boom, that means if they're on a mobile device or if they're on a device with capabilities to make phone calls, it will automatically dial that number. And you can also send it to an email address. So what you can do is you can type in mail to : example, or let's do heyleia.com/contact. That's how you can get in touch with our customer service. So then now your button's going to send you there. So what it's going to do is going to pop up your mail, whatever mail system you use, and it'll come up with a blank email written to this email address. And now if you want to send your customers to any other domain outside of Leia, again, you're going to have to upgrade to Pro or Business in order to send them externally. You're going to have to type in, like it shows here, you have to do the http://www. So let's say we want to go to http://www.google.com if you want to send them to Google so they can go search something. Then you can update that link. And finally, if you wanted to make that button go somewhere else on your page, let's say you want to make it send down to their contact section, all you need to do is just do a #contact, and then that will, once they click on it, when they're in the live version, it will send them to the contact section of your page. That's about it on buttons and links. Feel free to check out some other tutorials, and if you have any further questions, reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.